Hello everyone. Yes, I am right here in the heart of Mumbai at NSCI. And after talking to Mr. Srinivasan, yes, you all know him, I am hearing from the horse's mouth, Mr. Munjal Mehta. A warm welcome to you.
Thank you so much.
And what a grand event we had, speaking to almost 3,000 plus crowd here at NSCI Dome. But there are few questions which we got, which we
Yes,
want to ask you in a kind of a rapid fire.
sure.
One question we addressed on stage about social media, breaking the myth, but there are the other questions which we want to ask you. The first one being, what are the two mistakes that wealthy people do, according to you?
There are a lot of mistakes, but I wouldn't say that these two are mistakes. They are missed opportunities. Okay. One, most of the wealthy people, they have their own companies, right? If you don't invest in your company and invest in your personal name, that is where you can't maximize your returns. So it's always advisable that you keep investing in the company name as long as it's a going concern. And that will also help you shape the company's books, keep it in good health, so that in future if you want to do an IPO or if you want to raise funds, that can help you out. So that is one thing. And second, they need to understand that the more wealth they have, the better they need to be prepared with the succession planning part. So that is one very important part which people generally miss out. So these are the 2 points. In fact, I'll add one story, and this is a true story of one of our clients. I would take their names. Okay, but so this is a wealthy family, and the first generation, they wanted to ensure that the wealth lasts for at least 3 to 4 generations. What they did is that whatever investments they had in their son and daughter's name, they took the money out, put it in a family trust, and then invested the trust's money. Okay, so what this helps them do is that they ensure that it's not misused. They have separate covenants. So if they reach certain milestones in life, they get money and they get fixed money every year, every month. All this is there, but this ensures that the wealth lasts for multiple generations. So this is what all wealthy people should first, look at.
So you have spoken about generational wealth, and when I hear wealth, for me, I remember two names. I remember Warren Buffett and late Shri Mr. Junjunwala. According to you, what is that one thing which is common in both of them, and how it how it increases their value or increases their portfolio?
Both are completely different personalities, so it's very difficult to find one common aspect. But yes, being long-term investors, it gives us the lesson that you need to invest for more than a decade. Think beyond that so that you create that wealth. Above that, one surprising thing which people don't know is that even with Warren Buffett, although he has invested for 80 years, every year 65% of his portfolio changes. Now, even with Rakesh Junjunwala, if you remove two companies out of his portfolio, let's say Titan and Lupin, then his portfolio has performed like an average investor, right? So what it means is that whenever you invest, an exit is also as crucial as when to buy, which people don't understand, right? They think long term matlab company leke बैठ जाओ, but you need to change your portfolio with time. Your circumstances change, markets change, industries change, and that's why you need an advisor who can guide you. People like Fortune, like our company, we can guide you on every stage of your life and help you make money.
Definitely help you make money, and as we know, we are into wealth creation. Mr. Mehta, what is that one thing you can tell me, as now too much of mutual funds we are talking, too much of equity we are talking, what is that one thing that people can look up to in the next 10 years, as you yourself are in this industry since like years, decades too?
Uh, I'll make it very simple. Okay, everybody invests, whether they know, they realize it or not. It's a separate thing, but everybody invests, and everybody invests in various asset classes. Some people will buy real estate, gold, silver, equity, debt, everything, right? Why not make it very simple? Invest in something which automatically diversifies across all asset classes. Something like a multi-asset fund. As simple as that. If you want to focus on your business, that's the best investment you can make. After that, don't spend time on researching and doing this and that. Leave it to the experts. You focus on what you're good at, invest in yourself, and whatever surplus money you have, invest it in simple solutions, and just stay invested for 10 years. Automatically, you'll reach where you wanted to reach.
You said about generational wealth, you spoke about portfolio thing. Fortune Wealth is in the Hall of Fame of Motilal Oswal. In the top 7, let me tell you from the message of Mr. Oswal what we received today. Why Fortune Wealth? If you could help me and tell me why people should choose you as a wealth creating company or helping them create wealth.
See, most of the times you need to understand one thing very clearly, that incentives drive behavior. Okay, so if a doctor is asked to sell X number of tablets, then he or she might not see whether it is suitable for you because he is incentivized to sell those tablets, right? So this is where we offer a different experience to the investors because we are not driven by targets. So at Fortune Wealth, one thing is very certain, that you get the right advice. In fact, 8 out of 10 times we say no to the client कि आपको ये नहीं करना चाहिए, right? Because we are very clear that our relationship should last for more than a decade, which means only if I give you good financial advice or healthy advice for you, will you come back to me.
Correct.
Right? So this is the kind of way in which we function, and for this we thank our father Satish Mehta. He has set this culture in our organization where we ensure that you are not missold any product or you are not pushed any product. This is one thing which we can offer to any client of ours.
Okay, just shooting maybe last 1 or 2 questions, right? Personally, who is your financial mentor or an idol whom you look up to?
See, for all the finance professionals like me, we always look up to Warren Buffett. Okay, the kind of benchmark or the kind of level he has set is at a different scale. But personally, if you ask me, I look at my dad for all this advice. One thing which I've learned from him is that take risk. We generally, if you see, we generally are risk averse, but he has taught us to take risk and take calculated risks. So that has changed everyone's outlook in the family, and for that I'm very thankful to him.
Okay, Mr. Satish Mehta, and you said the word risk. Okay. During the time of the red carpet, I heard from one of the NSCI member who said that investments is all about risk, right? And investment is your backbone, your future backbone.
Correct.
What is your take on that? How do you correlate with the word risk and future backbone?
See, I'll tell you, risk has two parts. One is called systematic risk and one is unsystematic risk. Now, unsystematic risk is risk specific to a company or specific to a person, specific to the market, etc. That you can manage. You can invest in different assets, different companies at different times. That will take care of the unsystematic risk. Systematic risk is what happens without beyond your control, right? That you cannot manage, right? But if you stay invested for more than 3-4 years, even the systematic risk can be taken care of. So the whole idea is give your investment some time. One last thing, generally when you invest in gold, आप क्या सोचते हो? मैं इतना तोला या इतना ग्राम गोल्ड खरीदूंगी, right?
Correct.
When you buy a property, what do you say? That this property is X square feet. मुझे इतना square feet का property चाहिए, right? But when you buy mutual funds, you say मेरा इतना amount का mutual funds है. You don't focus on the units which you have accumulated, right? In gold, because you are focusing on the weightage of the gold, you never focus on the price, which means you can stay invested for long.
True.
So that's how you have to change your mindset when you invest in equity also. Focus on the units, focus on accumulating the units. The price will follow.
That's true. Last question. You are the second generation here with Fortune Wealth. What is your advice to the Gen Z generation, to the Gen Alpha generation who believes in finance, who believes in investments from a young age? What is your one advice to them where they can start from a young age? Because they always say the earlier you do, the better benefit you get. So what is that one advice as Mr. Munjal Mehta from Fortune Wealth would like to give for today's generation?
This is very challenging.
It is.
Because the new generation does not like advice. So I would not like to advise them on this, but I would like to tell them that please explore whatever you want to explore, But eventually, when you realize that it takes a lot of time and bandwidth of yours, please go to experts and let them manage your money. What we have seen is that now there is a good acceptance of managing money, of equity, SIPs, mutual funds, portfolios with the young generation. That's a very positive sign. The only thing they need to understand is that you can't do everything on your own. Eventually you will have responsibilities. You will want to invest serious money, and when you want to do that, please go to experts and let them invest on your behalf rather than doing everything yourself.
So yes, as Mr. Mehta is saying, please don't follow any social media reels and go and invest here and there. Please earn, do your hard work, but trust a asset management company like Fortune Wealth here to take care of your wealth generation. Yes. Thank you so much, Mr.
Thank you
Mehta.
so much,
It was
Ashna.
great interviewing you, and I'm sure the viewers who will be watching this will get a great insight about wealth, about assets, about everything.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.